Hey there YouTube. Today I'm making a really quick video on how to fix your Magic Chef microwave, specifically this model, if it's sparking on the right side. Now for me the problem was my Waveguide cover here. You can see it's dirty and scratched. This is something that's pretty common that happens, and the fix is about $5 on Amazon. So when you take yours off, it probably will disintegrate like mine did because it was well loved. But I will put the dimensions from the Amazon listing on here, and of course the link in the description for the one I used, not affiliated with them. It has this little hole in it right here. I actually attempted to recreate this hole, but ultimately it wasn't necessary. I might have used a hole punch or something to recreate it, but since this little dot is lower than the output of the waveguide, it doesn't really even need to be there after all. So yeah, I just basically threw one of them from Amazon in there, and it's been working fine for weeks now. No more sparking. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.